Hey guys, welcome back to Asvi Creative. Today I'm here before you with yet another Amazon haul, and this time we have got 4 sarees and 2 jewelry item, and that's it. So it's a very small haul, and I have bought all these sarees a while back, and I have unboxed it already, but I have shot that unboxing. Let's get started. So the very first saree I will be showing you guys is this beautiful color combination saree, and this actually retailed for 399 rupees. Really can't make out what kind of material it is, and it's definitely a very light material. It's kind of see-through. It's not like completely see-through like a net material, but then it is definitely semi see-through one, and this one is of a beautiful combination. Half of the saree is of orange color and half of the saree is of pink color. Got a thin border at one side and a thick golden border at other side, and there's a very small red stripe going on at the end of the saree, and I'm really happy with this. I absolutely love the color combination and the material. It's very light, so we can wear it very easily. And this blouse material, I will show you guys a blouse material. And blouse material and the saree together is for 399, and I feel for 399 rupees it's worth. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the pallu part, and there is a little bit of golden thread detailing going on. So this is the blouse piece. It is same as that of saree. There is no difference at all. So throughout the saree, it's just a plain saree. There is no other detailing going on. It's just orange and pink double shade saree with golden border to it. I always prefer not to cut the blouse material from the saree. I always prefer buying some other material and stitching it as saree blouse. It really gives a designer look for the saree, and that's what I prefer. If you want, you can definitely go ahead and cut out blouse material from the saree, or else you can definitely go for this golden shade or red shade, and it's really good. I absolutely loved it. So if I'm wearing it as one layer, this is how it's gonna look. So if I'm gonna pleat it, so this is how it's gonna look. For 399 rupees, I feel it's worth. I absolutely loved it. I really like this saree. The material quality and the price and the color combination, everything is really good, perfect. So next saree is of this beautiful violet color saree, but then I think in camera it appears to be on blue side, but no guys, it's really on a good violet color, violet shade saree, which has got a dull golden border. Plain violet saree with golden border. So one side we have got a thick border, the other side we have got a thin border. But I really love this shade of saree, and not just that, I thought of doing some kind of block printing to it, or else I can do fabric painting, freehand fabric painting, or else I can do some kind of work to it and it would look beautiful. I can wear it, definitely I can wear it as a plain saree. If I do some work to it, it would look so good. So the main reason I bought this saree is because I wanted to do some kind of block printing or any kind of work to it. That's the main reason I bought this. So the price of this saree is 198, and there is 100 rupees delivery charge, so it would be in total 298. that is like 300 rupees. So 300 rupees, it's not bad. Again, the blouse material, we have the same blouse material, it's just the same. So for 300 rupees, I wouldn't say it's a steal, it's kind of okay. And again, the material, I can't really figure out what kind of material it is. It is not cotton material for sure. It's actually a like a mix, polyester mix material. It's again a nice pretty saree. So if I'm gonna pleat it, this is how it's gonna look. Worth for the money, of course, but then it is not a steal as of the previous saree. So next saree is this multicolor saree, guys. Look at the colors. There is black, there is a golden shade first of all, and then there is a saffron shade, and then we have a black shade, and there is a beige kind of shade. Retails for 399 rupees, and unlike other sarees, this is not a see-through or even a semi see-through saree, I wanted to say. And this is how the pallu pallu looks like. This has got a horizontal as well as vertical stripes and pallu, whereas the whole body has only horizontal stripes of these colors. So again, we can go for this golden color blouse, or even this saffron color, or this beige color, or even a black color. That's all up to you. And again, there is the same blouse piece as of the sari. It's kind of a thick material, but definitely we can wear it as a one. Not that stiff that it would be a little difficult to handle. It's very easy to handle. Looking at the picture, I was quite impressed, but then after seeing it, I'm not that impressed with the color combination. I bought for gifting it to my mom as well as my aunt. So my mom definitely liked it. So purpose is served. So the last and final sari is this magenta and violet and golden combination sari. So this actually half and half sari. So half of the sari is of violet shade and the other half is of pink shade. So the pallu part would be of violet shade. Yeah, this is how it's gonna look like, and this has got horizontal stripes going on at the end of the pallu. And the body, the other side of the body will be having this kind of magenta color going on. And here is not a proper gold, it's actually a dull rose gold border, and a red stripe is there. Sari retails for 398 rupees, and for that price I think this is worth. We can wear it casually, or we can pair it up with some good piece of jewelry and work it for a marriage function as well. I wouldn't say it's the softest material, but then it is definitely of soft material, so it's very easy to handle. If you want, we can wear it as one layer, or we can pleat it. And the blouse piece is this pink shade. So this is a blouse piece. All of these saris are of 6.5 meters. There is blouse piece as well, which is really good. That's it. These are the 4 saris I bought. So these are very affordable saris, considering that we are buying it online. Offline, definitely in stores we might get it for even more cheaper price, but then I usually say this in every shopping haul video, that we might get these products in market in cheaper price, but the problem is that in every place we might not get it. For me, I live in Goa. In Goa, I do not find much places wherein I get saris or like jewelry for cheaper price. And also, I have a small baby. I do not really prefer going out and spending time shopping affordable. I have already done another Amazon shopping wherein I have showed you guys 2 the saris which were like really good. They were just for 399 and 499. I will leave it in card, so please do check it out. Those are very good saris, and few of my subscribers bought those saris after watching it, and they also said that those saris were of good quality and they liked it. So there are variety of shades option for the saris. All of these 4 saris, there are shades options, different colors are there, so we can choose the one which we need. So that's a good option. Delivery was pretty quick. I got this in just 3 or 4 days, so that's perfectly okay for me. So now I will show you guys the jewelry I bought. This is a silver piece. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is from Jewellery Pearls. I've already bought few jewelry from the same brand from Amazon itself. So if you guys haven't seen my jewelry haul, I will leave it in card. Please do check it out. And this MRP is written as 1373 oxidized silver jewelry. Okay, I didn't open it. Just now I opened it. Wow. This has got pearl detailing as well as Lakshmi coin detailing, and this is a very nice ethnic piece. But as you all know, oxidized jewelry is in trend right now because it's very versatile, and the price of this one is 240 rupees. I got to see the same piece in one of the store in Kerala, and it was retailing for 350 rupees. So I thought it's a very good steal for 240 rupees. It's a very nice product. The quality is really amazing. I absolutely loved it. I'm like very happy. Next one is a jewelry piece, but I'm so sorry guys, I do not have it right now because I gifted it to my friend. Then I have worn it once for one of my videos, and I will show you guys right here. And this is a absolutely stunning piece. It's a temple jewelry, and this has got the Lakshmi idol to it. And look at the pendant, guys, it has got so much of detailing going on. This is actually a yellowish golden shade. Still, I kind of like that bright golden shade for this particular jewelry. I think this suits that really well. And the earring also, it's the same. It has got Lakshmi idol to it and a small bead hanging. Great quality, and I got it for $3.99 actually, but then currently it retails for $4.99, but when I got it, it was for $3.99, and I think for $3.99 that was a absolute steal. So that's it, guys. As usual, I'll be leaving the link down in the description box, so if you guys want to check it out, you can definitely check it out. And also, guys, this is not a sponsored video. I have bought all these products with my own money, and all the things which I've told you right now is my honest opinion. So I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you all know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So see you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah.